What's up, everybody? It's Jovan. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth. Figuring out where to start can be intimidating. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down how to save 10% of your income to kickstart your investment journey. We're diving into practical steps to gain control of your finances and start growing your money. Whether you're starting with your first job or looking to get serious about investing, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, we need a clear picture of your finances. That means creating a detailed budget. Start by listing all your sources of income, salary, side hustles, even birthday money. Next, list all your expenses, including rent, groceries, and subscriptions. Identify areas where you can cut back without drastically changing your lifestyle. Maybe it's eating out one less time per week or finding a cheaper phone plan. Small changes can make a big difference. The goal is to free up 10% of your income, so get creative. This might take some time and adjustments, but trust me, it's worth it. Now that you have a budget, it's time to put it into action, and that means ruthlessly tracking your spending. This is crucial to understanding where your money is going and identifying sneaky expenses. There are tons of apps and tools that make tracking your spending easier. Personally, I use a budgeting app that links to my bank accounts and categorizes transactions. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. The more aware you are of your spending habits, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account as soon as you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind. Automating your savings takes the willpower out of the equation. You don't have to remember to transfer the money each month. It just happens. This is one of the most effective ways to ensure you're consistently saving towards your investment goals. Step 4. Pick your investments wisely. Before you invest, understand the basics and determine your risk tolerance. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consider your financial goals and investment timeline. For long-term goals, consider a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs. Do your research and understand the fees associated with different investment options. Step 5. Review, adjust, and stay consistent. Regularly review your budget and investment portfolio to ensure they're aligned with your financial goals. Life changes, so be adaptable. Maybe you got a raise or experienced a major life event that requires adjustments. Stay informed, stay engaged, and make adjustments as needed. Consistency is key. By consistently saving and investing, you'll benefit from the power of compound interest. Even small contributions can add up to significant wealth over time. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to saving 10% of your income for investment. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Take action now and start building a solid financial foundation. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.